Have you ever pondered the mystery of black holes? What are they exactly, and how do they come into being? Imagine the entire mass of our planet, Earth, compressed into an object so small that it's virtually invisible to the naked eye. That is the kind of density we're talking about when we refer to black holes. Black holes are regions of space where gravity is so strong that nothing, no particles or even electromagnetic radiation such as light, can escape from it. The term black hole comes from this very fact. They are literally invisible, as not even light can escape their gravitational pull. So, how does a black hole form? To understand this, we need to turn our gaze to the stars. When a star has burned out all its fuel, it collapses under its own gravity. For smaller stars, like our own sun, this collapse results in a relatively peaceful white dwarf. But for larger stars, those at least 3 times the mass of the sun, their death throes are far more dramatic. The core implodes, releasing a supernova explosion that leaves behind a dense core. If the core is dense enough, it forms a black hole. But what about the Earth? Could it become a black hole? In theory, yes. If you could compress all the mass of the Earth into a sphere with a diameter of around 18 millimeters, roughly the size of a pea, it would become a black hole. But don't worry, the forces required to compress the Earth to such an extent are far beyond anything we could muster. Around a black hole, you might find what's known as an accretion disk. This is a flat, rotating disk of matter, dust, gas, and debris that slowly spirals into the black hole. As the matter spirals in, it heats up and emits light, making the accretion disk visible even if the black hole itself is not. And then there's Hawking radiation, named after the famous physicist Stephen Hawking. This theory suggests that black holes can slowly lose energy or evaporate over time. This process is incredibly slow for most black holes, but it's a fascinating glimpse into the potential lifespan of these cosmic phenomena. Black holes come in a few different types. Stellar black holes, the ones formed by the collapse of stars, are the most common. Then, there are supermassive black holes, which reside at the centers of galaxies, including our own Milky Way. These black holes are millions, if not billions, of times more massive than our Sun. In summary, black holes are areas in space with immense gravitational pull formed by the collapse of massive stars. Earth could theoretically become a black hole if compressed to the size of a pea. Black holes can have accretion disks of spiraling matter and may slowly evaporate over time due to Hawking radiation. There are different types of black holes, including stellar and supermassive black holes. These cosmic wonders continue to be a subject of research and fascination, providing a window into the extreme conditions of our universe and challenging our understanding of the very nature of space and time.